Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn what is SAP SuccessFactors Provisioning Systems and what is SAP SuccessFactors Instance System. Means we will learn provisioning versus instance system. So the major difference between provisioning system and instance system, and I will show you both the system, how look and feel of provisioning system and how okay your instance system will look and feel. Everything in this video we will see, like provisioning system. First provisioning, second that we call instance system. So basically, if I say provisioning system, so it is restricted technical administration. We can say administration application used primarily, we can say primarily by SAP and authorized, we can say authorized implementation partners to level, we can say to levels success factor solutions and perform successful solutions and perform certain system level configuration. Can say system level configuration. So, what is provisioning system? We can say a provisioning system. It is a restricted technical administrator application. Why we use for primarily by SAP and authorized implementation partners to enable SuccessFactors solution and perform certain system level configurations. System level configurations. Now, if I'm saying instance system, instance system. So basically, SuccessFactors instance system, it is the actual, we can say, it is the actual customer tenant, or we can say environment where functional configuration and we can say a business process, day-to-day HR operation are performed through admin center, okay, and application UI. So very simple if I say, so it is the actual customer, it is the actual customer tenant, we can say the environment where functional functional configuration, employee data, business processes, business processes, and day-to-day HR operations, day-to-day HR operations are performed through, you can say admin center, and the application UI. Okay. So we can say in a very simple way, if I say you, so all the activation related, like if you want to activate languages, if you want to enable different processes, as per module specific, as well as import, or we can say export data models, data models. So this type of activities, okay, module activation, we can say module activations. This type of different activities we will doing in the provisioning system. We will doing in the provisioning system in a very simple way, if I say. And in instance system, like we will enjoy, okay, day-to-day life, whatever day-to-day life activities, like if we want to configure anything. So that thing we want to configure employees data management, business processes, day-to-day HR operation, everything we will do in instance system. We will do in instance system. Like I will show you root the system. Okay. So here if you see, this is your instance system, guys. This is your instance system. You can see this is your instance system. If you want to see your profile, view my profile, you can see your profile also. View my profile, you will see the profile. Here you can see this is the profile, Emily Clark profile. You can see this is the profile, Emily Clark's profile. Every information. If you want to configure something, if you say admin center is everywhere, okay, career information, company information, growth, performance, everything, these all are showing here. These all are showing here. You can see these all are showing here. And as well as I will show you provisioning system. So when I'm logging into provisioning system, here is the SAP SuccessFactors HCM provisioning system. This is your provisioning system. I have to click on this company. You will see there are different. If you want to import, export, okay, data models, so you can import, export data models. You can import, export data models, as well as if you want to activate different module specific things. Here you see different module specific things. Here see module specific, time off related, time sheet related. Okay, here you can see different activation related things. Enable you see different checkboxes as well. Performance management, workflow related. Here you see different all are showing. Here you see this is language pack. Well, you can see this is language pack. SAP support approximately 46 languages. Approximately 46 languages. All the languages are showing here. All the languages are showing here. You can see all the languages are showing here. Languages are showing here. Here is a succession, data movement, everything, every process, everything is showing here. If you want to disable, if you want to enable as per your company need, you can enable, you can disable. So this is the difference between your provisioning system and instance system. I hope guys you have clear your provisioning system, what is provisioning system, what is instance system. If you want to know more about provisioning system, instance system, anything, if you want to know about this system, let me know. Okay, directly you can DM me, message me. Okay. And thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.